Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com analysis of the hourly charts for the Aussie dollar, US dollar FX for Monday, February the 28th, 2011. Well, the market opened trading with a sell-off which tested support down around the Kijun-sen. The market actually traded down below the Kijun-sen. It's been some time since we've seen the market trading below the Kijun-sen. It closed just down below there in a minor way a few days ago, and today didn't really test down below there with any bearishness. We actually had this candle with a large shadow on the bottom and a very small green body at the top, which was a hammer type pattern, and the market rallied from there in quite a bullish way, and it maintained the second time frame uptrend that the market was in. Here we can see that the market is making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs, and continually so. Even in the third last hour of trading that we're looking at here, the market made another higher peak up above the previous peak, so the market is looking fairly strong in terms of this second time frame uptrend. Now, a lot of this price action here, however, is looking a little bit sideways. We're getting a little bit of congestion. We can see here the trending action was quite nice, and the moves to the upside had some good momentum to them. We can see here as the market is trying to trade up, we're getting some large shadows on the tops of the candles and some larger red-bodied candles as the market is attempting to sell off. Here we have some indecisive type candles, so we do need to be ready for a potential retracement back towards some lower levels, although there's really no good evidence of that happening at the moment. Now, as we saw in the 4-hourly charts, this 102 area is solid resistance for this market. We can see in this candle with the green body that the market tested there and sold off. This final hour of trading that we're looking at, we disregard the final candle that we've got here because the hour is not finished trading yet, but this is very similar to a bearish engulfing candle. Now, the reason why I say similar is because we don't have a very well-defined uptrend. It's only a very small uptrend that we've got, and I'd prefer to see a more decent, well-defined uptrend to call it a decent bearish engulfing, but the sentiment is the same, and that's where the basically all of the bullishness that was in the market has evaporated, and the body of the current candle completely engulfs the body of the previous candle with a bearish candle. So there is a good chance that the market will test lower levels. Now we can see on these candles here that we do have some support around these levels, around 107.5 roughly, up to 108. So the market will need to trade down below there if it's going to trade any lower. Good solid support down around these levels here, around 101.6.5, and then further levels down below around 101.3.5. So some good solid support just from the swing lows that the market's been making on the way up. Now, there is also good solid support close by with the Ichimoku cloud, and that's down around 104.5. So if the market does trade down there, we should see good solid support. It's been some time since the market was trading near the cloud, and we can see here previously we had the bullish breakout, so it wouldn't surprise for the market to relax and trade back down to around these levels. Now the market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen, so that means that the market is bullish in the medium-term time frame, with the market being bullish in the longer-term time frame by trading up above the cloud. The market is trading at or just under the Tenkan-sen, which means that the market is neutral to bearish, slightly bearish in the fast-term time frame as well, and these indicators can also offer themselves as support, and the Kijun-sen down below here will potentially offer itself as support around 101.6.5, and the Tenkan-sen, where the market's trading at the moment, will potentially offer support too. And we can see here previously where the market's found support at the Tenkan-sen, so we're trading just at that level now. So obviously for the next day's trading, the area around 107.5 roughly is 101.7.5 is good support, and decent resistance offered around 102 if the market's going to trend higher, and we might see a bullish breakout up above there. There is potential for the market to trade up to around 103.